Welcome to the future, 2025. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking for ways to make money online. And guess what? The opportunities are bigger, better, and more exciting than ever before. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the top online money-making strategies this year. First up, AI-powered side hustles. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's your new business partner. From selling AI-generated art and content to running chatbots for businesses, automation is your golden ticket. Websites like ChatGPT and Midjourney are making it easier than ever. Content is still king in 2025. Short-form videos, long-form YouTube content, and even podcasting are booming. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment, just your phone and a solid strategy. People love to learn new skills, and you can cash in on that. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, and online courses is one of the most passive ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is still a game changer. By recommending products you love and earning commissions, you can build a steady income stream without ever stocking inventory. Freelancing is evolving. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, AI-assisted tools help you work smarter, not harder. And there you have it. 2025 is packed with opportunities to make money online, whether it's AI side hustles, content creation, or selling digital products. The key? Start now, stay consistent, and adapt. Which method are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.